Hello everyone, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to optimize Valorant for low-end PCs. Please watch carefully. First, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Then click the Colors tab on the left side. Find the transparency effect and turn it off by clicking the toggle. Then type Game Mode Settings into the search bar and open it. If game mode is disabled on your computer, enable it. Then click the Game Bar tab on the left side. Turn off the Game Bar feature and uncheck the box. Then open the Windows search bar again and go to Graphics Settings. First, enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Then, return to your desktop without closing this page. Right-click the Valorant icon and select Open File Location. Then click on the Riot Games file in the directory above. Open Valorant folder. Open the Live folder too. Then click on an empty space to the right of the directory and copy that directory. After copying, return to the Graphics Settings page. Click the Browse button. Then click on the directory and paste what you copied here. And press Enter. Click once on Valorant.exe, then click the Add button. Click on Options button. Check the High Performance box. And click the Save button. As the next step, type Task Manager in the search bar and open it. Click the Startup tab. In the Startup section, you can see the applications that start automatically when your computer starts up and continue running in the background. Browse through all the applications that are listed as enabled in their status, and right-click on any application you don't need and select Disable. This won't delete the application from your computer. It will only prevent it from automatically starting when your computer boots up. Now I'm moving on to the next step. Right-click the Valorant icon on your desktop and open Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab. First, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then click the Change High DPI Settings button. Check this box and click OK. First click Apply, then click OK. Let's quickly move on to the next step. Type Control Panel in the search bar and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then open Power Options. Check the High Performance box. If you're using a laptop, this feature will cause your battery to drain faster. Now let's move on to the final step. Type Run in the search bar and open it. Type %temp% in the Run command and click OK. You can delete everything in the temp folder. Press Ctrl A to select all files and delete them. You can skip files that cannot be deleted. Also, remember to restart your computer for all these optimization settings to work properly. Finally, I'd like to briefly show you the in-game graphics settings. I hope this guide on how to optimize Valorant for a low-end PC or laptop was helpful. Feel free to share your results in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video.